Hi there, it's Nia here from IPEGS, and in this video I'm going to show you our new admin changes function. This function will allow admin users to edit any field on a submitted form directly within the portal rather than sending the form back to the original submitter to change the details. Any changes made will be logged to include the date, time and user, and you will also be able to enter which changes have been made and the reasons for these changes. So to access the admin changes function, you'll need to follow the same process as you would do usually for a request change. So once we're in the submitted forms, we click on the cog next to the form and then click on request changes. Now you'll see that you have this new admin changes section. So to make an admin change, you'll still need to select the user who originally entered those values onto the form. So we'll just select this one and click on next. Now that we're on the admin changes page, let's say for example this student has been issued with a new ID. We need to update this field, so I'll copy what's in the field currently. I'll enter a new ID for this student and click on submit. Now here is where I can provide details of the field that I'm changing, what its current value is, new value, and the reasons why I'm changing that value. Then you click on submit. Now if we click on the cog next to the form again and click on request changes, this is where we can see the change and its description. So one thing to note with the change that we've just made is if a field is not editable, then it means you have selected the incorrect user for that field and you'll need to go back and select the person that originally entered the values on the field. So just a few other things to note is if the form is incomplete and the field you need to change is used as part of a condition for another field, or if it's a value used as part of a sum field, then you will need to select the original user who entered the value and ensure that you keep these two boxes ticked so that the calculations or conditions will still kick in for each of the remaining users on the form if there are any. If the form is complete and you need to change a sum field value or condition-based value, but you do not want to change all of the associated values, then you need to choose the last user in this list, untick the sums and conditions boxes, and then go ahead and make the change. This will stop the calculations and the conditions from automatically kicking in. So whenever you're making an admin change, once finished, we do recommend that you view the form to make sure that the changes have been successful, as the view is the final form data. If you wish for the admin changes function to be turned on for your account, please let the main administrator on the account know and they can turn this permission on for you.